We're gonna add tomato sauce to the Instapot. And I'm gonna turn saute on. I'm gonna add some water, about a cup of water to that. And now I'm going to take and add the chili seasoning in. Okay. Show them what the inside looks like. Make sure I get all that good seasoning in there. All right, one more pack. All right. And then I'm going to take a whisk and whisk this together, and then I'm going to just dump all the ingredients in while I'm cutting up the green peppers and onions. So we're going to whisk this together and get it well blended. Get all of it well blended. The Instapot does the work for you. You just have to stir it up. Okay. That looks pretty good. Alright, now we're going to dump in our beans. Get all those good beans in there. Another can of beans. I do 4 cans of pintos and 2 cans of kidney beans. Alright, so it'll start looking like some chili when everything gets in there. Alright, 2 more cans here. Last can. Get in there. Sometimes it just don't want to go. Okay. Now I've got my hamburger that I rinsed and drained. Just dump that in. Okay. Now I'm going to get a big spoon and I'm going to stir it up. Okay. Now it's starting to look like some chili. Let's look. Get some green pepper and onion. Let's slice this up real quick. I'm not a good cook. Well, I'm not a good cutter, but this is the best way I do it. I just slice and throw it right in there. Throw it in there. You can. This is a quick and easy little meal. You just want to heat this until your onions are kind of see-through and your green peppers are soft but not too soft. You want a little bit of bite to them. And I did rinse the onion and the green pepper off beforehand. Okay. Smells good in here already. Alright. Put all that in there. Now we got some green pepper to do. Green pepper. I like cutting green pepper a little bit easier. Okay. And then you just cut this in little strips. Put them in little bite-sized pieces. It don't have to be perfect. Okay. Green pepper going everywhere. Alright. And I'll show you how I like to eat my bowl of chili at the end, because I love eating mine with jalapenos and some cheese. Makes the best chili. But everybody likes it differently. Get that little white piece out. Alright. Now I like my Wendy's chili, but Wendy's usually just they don't have many meats in it, and all I ever really taste is the hamburger. but the flavor of the chili seasoning is pretty good. But I want to be full when I finish eating my chili. And you definitely be full with this. Eat them with some crackers or just by itself. Perfectly good. Alright, we're almost done with these ingredients. Make sure I don't get no seeds in there. Okay. And we're good. Last green pepper. Sometimes I do 3, depending on the size of the green pepper. I think 2 is going to be 2 is going to be great. See, I'm doing a rough chop, nothing perfect. There's no seed. Okay. Okay. Piece of onion on me. Alright, and then we got one more little section to do. Now we're going to dump it all in and all that yummy goodness in. Let's stir it up so you can see. It's starting to cook here now. Wait, not yet. Did you pause it? Okay, I think I'll bring you back when the onions have cleared and the green peppers have softened up some, so that I can show you what the after product looks like. It smells really good. We will be back. Okay, we're back, and this is what it looks like after about 30 minutes. It's still simmering away. So what I do is I just scoop it into a bowl like this. I add my mild cheese, and then I put diced jalapenos on top. And it's very, very good. I like my cheese to melt. It's very good. And like I said, you could do this on the stovetop if you want to, or in the Instapot. You can cook your hamburger in the Instapot. If you use 93% hamburger, you won't have to drain it and all that. And you can just add your ingredients right in after the hamburger's done. Give a like and a subscribe and comment if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, along with the Repairman Life videos. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.